This is the era of AI where all technologies are developing very quickly. Artificial intelligence is able to change everything easily and pleasantly. In this video, I'll show you how to convert normal images into illusion images using the Hugging Face website. Hugging Face is a great resource for finding and using state-of-the-art AI models, and it's really easy to use. To get started, simply go to the Hugging Face website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can search for AI models by task or name. For this video, we'll be using the Stable Diffusion model. To convert an image using Stable Diffusion, simply upload your image to the Hugging Face website and enter a prompt. The prompt is a short description of what you want the model to run. For example, you could use the prompt, fish in sea, vegetable in garden, Rubik, etc. Once you've entered a prompt, click the Run button. Stable Diffusion will generate a new image based on your prompt and the image you uploaded. This process can take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt. Once the generation process is complete, you can download the new image to your computer. You can then share the image on social media or use it in your own creative projects. If this AI system is not running well or there are frequent errors, you can do it at a later time, because there may be many users at the same time, so you still have to be patient. Thank you for watching this channel. Hopefully, it can provide useful technology information that you are looking for right now. If you like this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching until the end. See you again in the next video.